Welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 6832 Lazy Clouds Point, which is a newly renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-level house built in 1971 with 1,224 square feet here in San Carlos neighborhood of San Diego, 92120. This house is in the Daylord Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Pershing Middle School and Patrick Henry High School. My name is Morrison, and I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before we get into it, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below where you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about what your next best steps are to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so taking a step back from the front of this house, I just want you to see how close it is to Rancho Mission Canyon open space and Cowles Mountain over there in the background. This is a very private, large cul-de-sac. And actually, it's a double cul-de-sac, so there's no through traffic. You got a new roof up there, 2-car garage, and this is sod. You got new windows throughout. I'll point those out again a little bit later. The light fixtures, I mean, every little detail in this house has been, the front door has been nicely taken care of and renovated to flow really nicely. I mean, look at this big, open, bright floor plan as you walk in. Nice new kitchen. I love the green on the cabinets. I like the hood here. Tons of counter space, and the drawers and the cabinet doors all have those soft closing hinges. And then you have like this built-in microwave, and this right here is your pantry. So there's lots of pantry space. These counters are quartz, and you have a nice wide stainless steel sink, and the faucet fixtures are really nice it makes it easy to clean dishes. I love the tile work along the wall there, the backsplash. You have a Whirlpool stainless steel appliance set that matches. This is a electric stovetop, and you get the dishwasher over there. I love these, the fact that they put the, what is those called right there, outlets for, plugging your kitchen appliances. And look at the new windows, brings in tons of natural light throughout the whole house. This is your garage. Let's go out there real quick. This is, that's your water heater. And this is where you would put your washer and dryer, and it vents out this direction. Notice that all the red wood, the framing here is all that red wood it's super durable, not termite prone, lasts a long time. We'll make our way out that direction to the backyard here in just a little bit. You get recessed lighting throughout, new ceiling fans. These floors are like a vinyl, very nice color choices. I like the wood mantle. This is a wood burning fireplace. Let's go ahead and take a look out back here. So what you would be seeing, it's private. Nobody's looking in. I like the pergola over here. It's enough to bring in a lot of natural light, but also block or keep some shade as well. The ducting here, right here, it will show you that you have central heat and air. There's these 5-inch baseboards throughout the house, really nicely done. This is your attic access. And all right, so there's 1, 2 bedrooms. That's the bathroom that services, and then here's the master. So let's look at the bedrooms first. So this is bedroom number 1. Again, there's the ducting. It looks out the front yard, right? And same with bedroom number 2, which we'll go look at right now. It's very similar to bedroom number 1 in size, but it also looks out towards the front of the house. Mirrored closets. And here's that bathroom that services those 2 bedrooms. Take a look at the tile work. I love how well, look at the tiles. I love this blue and the subway tiles, the big horizontal subway tiles. The detail on the tile work is really well done. You don't really see high quality tile work like this in many of these remodels, but this one is very, very nicely done. I like the black hardware on the doors. This is your master. Look at how wide this room is. This is like a full-size bed, so you can kind of see how big this room actually feels. Here's your closet. What I like about that closet pin right there is it leaves all these walls open from your furniture. And here's the master bath. You don't have a very large vanity here, but it functions really nicely. It's beautifully done, this big shower. Again, the tile work here is so pretty. I love the floor to ceiling tile work in here. All right, so that was the master. Let's go ahead and make our way out towards the backyard. I'll show you what's out there. Oh, I don't think I pointed out this dining area, but here's your backyard. Again, you got new fencing along here, and just notice how private this yard is and how tall these fences are out back. There's no neighbors looking into your home. You got Cowles Mountain in the background there. Beautiful views, even if you're sitting from a lower angle. The yard's like deep and wide. All right, so you can put like a barbecue right here, some sitting or dining area over here. So just a lot of concrete space to work with here. So this yard, if you wanted to, you could probably push it back 3-4 feet and really expand the width of this yard. I don't know that you necessarily need to do that, but you could, make it feel a little bit larger. But you could use that space as a good planter space as well for gardening. So check out the mountain out there in the background. Lots of sod on the ground. Again, the newer roof, that is your new HVAC or AC condenser. I'm going to zoom in here real quick. That over there is the panel. You can see that that's been upgraded as well. Every part of this house has been nicely upgraded. It was really beautifully done. All right, thanks so much for touring 6832 Lazy Clouds Point with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, go ahead and use that link in the description section to book a free call directly on my calendar so that we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.